Chapter Integer Extra Sum. Find first question. Minus 11 minus of minus 13 minus of plus 15 plus of minus 3. Boys, between the two bracket minus sign is there. You must be change. You minus instead of minus you must be write plus. If you are writing plus means inside the bracket you must be write additive inverse like that. Minus 11 instead of minus I wrote plus. Inside the bracket I wrote additive inverse of which integer? Minus 13. Then again minus is there. I wrote instead of minus plus. Inside the bracket I wrote additive inverse of plus 15. Integer should be, it is positive, write positive additive inverse of positive 15. Then next plus, no need to write additive inverse inside because already plus is there. Plus of minus 3. Plus of minus 3. Now minus 11 plus additive inverse of minus 13 is become plus 13. Then plus additive inverse of plus 15 is become minus 15. Then plus of minus 3 it should be as it is. Now first two terms I took in a bracket, in capital bracket. 13 minus 11, because 13 is positive, your answer should be positive. 13 minus 11 is 2. Plus of minus 15 plus of minus 3 we should copy. Next again you write first two terms in bracket. Plus 2 plus of minus 15. One is positive, one is negative means we must be subtract. Which is the bigger number? Negative is the bigger number. Write negative sign. Minus, then 15 minus 2 is 13. Then plus of minus 3. Both of negative. Both that 13 is negative, 3 is also negative. Both are negative. Both are negative means we should add them. Which sign we should keep? Negative sign, because both are negative. The sum of two negative integer is negative. Or you can use this method also. Minus 11 minus of minus 13 minus of plus 15 plus of minus 3. But if you multiply, bracket means multiplication sign. Bracket is a multiplication sign. Minus into minus plus, or we can write minus outside, inside minus. Minus into minus is plus, like that it is. Minus plus minus, plus minus minus. If it is bracket, then bracket meaning is multiplication sign. Minus 11 as it is. Minus into minus is become plus 13. Minus into plus minus 15. Plus into minus is minus 3. First two terms I wrote in a bracket. 13 minus 11 is 2. Then next two terms I copied as it is, minus 15 minus 3. Then both I wrote in a bracket. 2 minus 15. 2 is positive, 15 is negative. We must be subtract. Which sign we should write? Bigger number sign. Bigger is 15. 15 is negative, write negative sign. And the smallest we must be subtract from the big number. 15 minus 2 is 13. Then minus 3 as it is. Both are negative. Minus 13 minus 3 it become minus 16. Write minus sign and add. 13 plus 3 is 16.